Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 BMW X5. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so. Bluetooth's on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. Over to the iDrive, the rotary control here, and telephone is the top right hand one, or you can go to menu. Telephone's easier, so we click telephone. That's saying Bluetooth menu. On to Bluetooth menu. And there we've got the choice. You can either select any of those which would normally have phones in, but there's none in this, it's empty, or add new device. So we're clicking add new device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as BMW 77602, and as you can see there, that's at the bottom. So we click on that. You see there the little circular thing spinning round looking for it. Bluetooth pairing request. So you've got 093062. Does it match? Yes, pair, and then click OK with the iDrive. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. That's it. It's showing connected here. Just taking a little time to check everything out on the audio system, and there you see, as I was saying before, telephone and audio, both of those are ticked, so we'll be able to answer and make calls and stream audio with those two ticked. That's it. That's it done. That's it selected.